In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rent movies on Amazon Prime. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. On the upper left of the page, just beneath the Amazon logo, you'll see the All menu. Click that to expand Amazon's full navigation. From this menu, choose Prime Video. If you're taken to a landing page with another Prime Video button or link, click it again to enter the Prime Video storefront. Once you're in Prime Video, use the search bar at the top to find the movie you want. Type the title, press enter, and browse the results. When you see the movie you're looking for, click it to open the detail page. Here, you'll see options like rent or buy, and sometimes different video qualities such as SD, HD, or UHD. Choose rent in the quality you prefer. If you don't see a rent button, the title may be included with your membership or not available to rent in your region. If this is your first time renting, you'll be prompted to enter a payment method. Fill in your card details on Amazon's secure checkout page, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. When you're done, select Add your card to save it. Then continue to the next screen. Follow the on-screen steps to review and confirm your rental. You'll see the final price, applicable taxes, and the format you selected. Confirm the order to complete the rental. Once it processes, your rental is ready. A quick note on rental windows. Most movies give you a limited period to start watching after you rent and a shorter window to finish once you hit play. The exact timing is shown on the movie page and during checkout, so take a second to read it before you confirm. If playback starts right away, great. Use the player controls to turn on subtitles, change audio tracks, or adjust quality as needed. If you plan to watch later, open Prime Video and look for your title in your library under Purchases and Rentals when you're ready. A few helpful tips as you go. Make sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account before renting to avoid confusion across shared devices. Availability and pricing can vary by country. On some devices, you may be asked to verify or enable one-click purchasing. That's normal for Prime Video and speeds up future rentals. That's it. Navigate to Prime Video, search your movie, select rent, add your payment method if needed, and confirm. Enjoy your movie night.